Okay, so I told Tractor Monkey that it would be nice if we had a digital tachometer that I could use to set the engine on the lawnmower, old lawnmower he's got me working on. And so he said, hey, I'll take care of it. It's on the table saw in the shop. Okay, well, here we go. All right. Yeah, I always wanted a nice digital tachometer. See what we got here. Yeah. All right. What do we got? Um. What is this? It's this yellow thing here. It looks like it's got a dial. That ain't digital. What the heck? What's this? Some kind of antenna? What is this? Some kind of radio or something? Where do you put the batteries at? This is where you, looks like you dial in the station there. What the heck? I'll be back after I talk to him. Alright, Tractor Monkey's done did it to me again. I didn't get no digital tachometer, but he got me this. And this is a mechanical tachometer. I guess you could call it mechanical because it's not electronic. Well, actually, came in this Briggs & Stratton package, and it says it's a tachometer, model number 19200. You can see that. And actually it says made in Germany, but well, anyways, I did some research, and what it is, it's calibrated in RPMs and cycles per second. Okay, so anyways, this is not an antenna, it's just a wire with a loop on the end. And if you've never heard of this thing, it's works kind of like a tuning fork. You place the tachometer on the side of the engine or something else where it's going to feel the vibrations of the engine, and when it you turn this dial and get that wire going in and out, and you watch the end of it, and when it oscillates at the widest point, then you come down here and you read your RPM, or if you care about cycles per second. But let's see if we can get it to work. Okay, let's see if I can get this to work. Maybe you can see it. I'm going to hold the thing right here and watch the tip there, and then you adjust the dial until it swings the furthest. You need to hold it firmly to get an accurate reading. So let me crank it up here. Okay, so that looked like about the furthest it was going to go. So it looks like it's reading about I don't know, 2100 RPMs, if I'm reading that dial right. Let's see. See, that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that was probably 2100 RPMs. Because now I don't know what you would need to know cycles per second, Maybe you've got something that doesn't really rotate. Maybe it just oscillates back and forth, and you could use that to instead of RPM, since it's not, there's no revolutions, it's just a back and forth of something, then you could read cycles per second on the bottom gauge. So there you have it. And I also tried it on the tractor. I just placed it on the hood and set the engine RPMs for 2100 and looked over there, and sure enough it was reading 2100. So it's fairly accurate for what it is. So see you next time, unless of course you see me first and then you'll duck.